Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video wallpaper on Android. Okay, first thing, you are going to Play Store. You are going to download this application. Okay, you are going to download video wallpaper. After downloading, you are going to open it. Okay, right now you are going to select video file. Means you are going to look for the video that you are going to add in the wallpaper of your Android. You are going to select the video. Any kind of video that you want to add on your wallpaper of your Android, you can add it, guys. It's very simple. Okay, this is the video that I selected. I'm going to add it in the wallpaper. Okay, right now you can add it, guys. It's very simple. This is how it looks like. You see, guys, it's very simple. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, do not forget to thumbs up. If you first come to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any comment, guys, you can add in the comment, guys. We will be pleasure to answer you back.